Kawasudo nyako Ramogi en ni Jokanyo medo golo paro mopogore opogore ewi paro mar chik mar omenda mageto medo osuru e budget mar piny Kenya hik omenda ma 2024-2025. Paro ma kamago medo wuok e kinde ma piny owacho oselieko mar tiyo kod paro mar chikno e duoko piny gope ma Kenya osebedo kakao kowuok e pinje maoko. Wawinjane kaka weche chalo.
We also need to bear in mind that in the bill of 2023, there was a 5 shilling excise that was introduced on imported sugar, and this, if we are not able to offset this, will mean that we'll have to protect price to remain competitive. So, if we take price again, we know there's an association of low volumes being sold. This may lead to job losses. It may lead to some investments that we already have being deferred. So our proposal would be to retain Section 14 as it is today. Okay, then on the fifth submission is on the tax procedures. And here, as has been said earlier, the proposed changes, we see that will impede the constitutional right to justice by giving the commissioner this right to issue agency notices when the cases are still being heard. Our proposal on the tax procedures will be to retain Section 14 that requires the commissioner only to make a notice if the taxpayer has not filed an appeal, and to retain the 60 days that the Act currently gives the commissioner before they make an objection decision. So I'm going to hand over to my colleagues to make any further contributions that they may have. Thank you.
Chair, that's the submission we have. We pray that we are heard and that our submissions are considered positively.
Thank you very much, Karakola, for your presentation. Do you have questions, Honorable Munyoro? Maybe before Honorable Munyoro, Honorable Sunkwe, introduce yourself. Sunkwe, introduce yourself.
Thank you, Chair. My name is George Arisa Sunkuya in Kajiado West constituency. I am a member of Finance and National Planning Committee. Thank you.
Thank you, Chair. Thank you for the presentation. My observation is only on the motor vehicle tax because a lot of the people who've come here have proposed that we tax commercial vehicles because they make money. And yourselves, you're saying that you should be looking at exempting vehicles that are used commercially. So it's just an observation, and I thought I should alert you to that. Thanks.
Maybe on that, what will you say if we were to tax the if we were to levy these types of motor vehicles, commercial motor vehicles,